pull up, but it's okay. You can't hate what's going to be great. You can't hate what's going to be great. It's just that simple. It's just that simple. There she goes. There's your little pull up, as promised. There's your little pull up in there. There's your little pull up. Let's go. There's that pull up. There she goes. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. What up, Keith? What's happening? What's happening? How everybody doing? Let me. Are we on? We on? Oh yeah, we're on. We're on. We are on and popping, baby. Yeah, we live. We live. Let's go. Live action, baby. Live action. What's popping? What's happening, fam? What is happening? How your mama doing? How your daddy doing? How your cousins doing? How everybody doing? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's see if we get that continue down movement. Let's see if we can get that continuing down movement. Coming back into that little zone down here. We'd love to see it. We'd love to see it. And if you just basically watch the 4 hour candle looks really, really good. The 4 hour candle looks really good. We have an hour and 57 minutes. It's really bearish, and we should continue going down and breaking down through this zone. I want to see it. I hope everybody's having an amazing day. I hope everybody's having an amazing day. It's been an amazing week, that's for sure. So I want everybody to know that if you're struggling, it is hump day. And if you're struggling because of money, that means you need to create new skills. It's literally just that simple. You create more skills, then you won't be literally worrying about money. Just that simple. Just that simple. So we're gonna watch this little thing kind of like play itself out for a little bit. And then we're gonna start educating. Right here, this is where, if you're not in this trade from here, this is where you can literally start taking that entry, 36 or 38, like right up in this area, right up in here. I say right up in here, like that. You can join that sale. And you can ride her all the way down, at least until here, to a 25. To a 25. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now, what's happening? Yo, TikTok, what's popping, beautiful people? Yo, YouTube, what's popping, beautiful people? If you took that sale already, you are already green. You are already green, my friends. You are already green. God bless you. What's up, Yells? Let's go. Let's go. We celebrating already. We celebrating already. Let's go. We just want to see a nice little push down from this little slingshot. And then I love teaching slingshots. I love teaching like the EMAs. I love teaching about indicators that gives you confluences on how to actually trade. A lot of people don't know how to use indicators, so this is how they really truly get messed up. And when you don't understand how to use indicators, you end up literally like making false entries or early entries that really, really messes up your kind of like your trading day, your trading journey. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get this guy out of here. Let's get this guy out of here. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. Let's go, baby. Boop, 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 boop. I want to see that nice little pull down. We want to see that nice little pull down again. She's like trying to pop from here. She got to break this little area right here. She break this area, she's out. She break this area, she's out. I'm telling you. She break this little area, she's out. So she's just pulling back up, finding more sellers, and then she's going to start trying to drop past this area like I was just showing you right here. This is the area she needs to break, that 34. She gets past that 34, it's over. It's over, I'm telling you. And the 4-hour candle looks like it will do it. That looks like it will do it. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing. Yeah, tap that screen, TikTok. Tap that screen. We should be dropping down. We should be dropping down. We're gonna start dropping down. Patience is the key. Patience is the key. Bing, bing. And if you're new to this live, if you do not have liquid brokers, you need to be in my DMs asking me like, how could you get on the same link as me? How can you do this? How could you do that? This is the things you should be inquiring in my lives. Like, what do you mean by press the sell button? What do you mean by press the buy button? Like, how do I understand the language that you're using? How do I understand the words that are coming out of your mouth, Mr. H? Yesterday, let me turn my camera around. Yesterday, if you was in my live, every zone that we marked up smack yesterday. Let me say that again. Every zone that we marked up at 4 in the morning, smack yesterday. Yeah, she retesting the 33.36, and then she should drop on back down. She retesting the 33.36 and should drop back down. She retest that area. We should be Gucci. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Where's that 1 hour? I like to watch that 1 hour. I like to watch that little 1 hour when we're trading live. When we're trading live. Right here. This is where you want to see your rejection at. Right there. Bam, 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 bam. What up, King? What up, Kales? What up, Kales? How y'all doing? How your mama doing? How your daddy doing? How your daddy doing? Yeah, gold needs to die for Nas can fly. It's literally just that simple. Gold needs to die for Nas to fly. That's it. Gold is already hella bearish on the 4 hour. So we have a really nice 4 hour candle. She's just rejecting in a very common area. So that means she's rejecting off of this little uptrend that has been created right here. So imagine all we need to do is just literally be patient and allow sellers to literally come in and just consistently break down that 35, that 34 area, because it's a very powerful area. It's a very powerful area when you look in the history. You see, it's a heavy area. So when she starts dropping from here, we gotta allow her to drop. We gotta allow her to drop big. And when she drops, Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Just that simple. You have an hour and 50 something minutes. We're not gonna watch it for an hour and 50 something minutes, but we're gonna manage it. We're gonna manage it, beautiful people. We're gonna manage it well. We're gonna manage it well. Here she comes. Here she comes. Just walking down the street singing do a diddy diddy dum diddy dee. Let me show you that hour. We get a nice little wick right here. It's over. We get a nice little pull down from a slingshot. She's done deal. Done dealio. Done dealio. And for those who are asking, this is hump day trading. This is Wednesday. We got a lot of news projecting. So therefore, we're literally finding a position, holding a position, and allowing news to take us where we want to go. This is exactly what we got going on this morning. Let's go, beautiful people. Just to give you guys an update, yesterday that small account was at 276. This morning we started off at 333. She's already sitting at 338. So we have one position green, one position red, and we're literally not even tripping. Anybody got any question? Yeah. That's exactly what it looks like for sure, bro. That's what I'm kind of like. Cause you got that 4 candle on the retest for on the 4 hour. Let's go. Let's go. But it's a slingshot. You know I like them slingshots. It's a slingshot. It's a slingshot, baby. Boom. Boom. There we go. It's a slingshot, baby. Let the slingshot happen. Let the slingshot happen. Boom. So imagine, guys, on my small account, I was supposed to make basically $9.99 today. That's all I was needing on that small account. So yesterday you saw 276. We started at 333, and we're sitting at literally 341 right now. Just to show you guys. And I don't have to touch that until tomorrow. So now you can switch and you can go to your big account and look at that drop. Look at that drop. Let's go. I'm telling you, you can't make this shit up. So for those who are struggling, let me reiterate on why I'm showing you guys small accounts. Look at that drop. Look at that drop, baby. Look at this. Because most people can relate to the smaller numbers more than you can relate to the bigger numbers. So when you understand that, you're understanding like, yo, okay, now I understand. Because if you don't understand what a 0.02 can do for you, or a 0.05 can do for you, you shouldn't be entering into trades anyway. You understand that? Like, most influencers are gonna get on here and they're gonna show you, oh, I just hit for 5,000, oh, I just hit for 12,000, oh, I just hit for 10,000. Most of the time they're gonna be on funded accounts. Secondly, they're not showing you withdrawals. I want to see withdrawals. I want to see tax statements. I want to see what your total income looks like. Like, show me that, because I can show tax returns. You see what I'm saying? Like these things you can't manipulate. So the reason why I show these small accounts is because it gives you the confidence that you can build them if you just follow a plan, follow a guideline. Put some 8s in the chat if y'all understand what I'm talking about. And let me tell you, it don't have to be an $88 account. It don't have to be a $100 account. Even a $1,000 account is fucking small in a $7.7 trillion market. Even a small account. My boy Keith can definitely show y'all taxes. So we're not here to promote the money of day trading. That's what I want you guys to understand on my platform. I'm not here to tell you, yo, you're gonna be a multimillionaire with day trading. I'm here to tell you, it's going to be the hardest fucking thing that you ever set your mind to get focused on to do, because it's going to require you to isolate yourself. It's going to require you to get extremely uncomfortable with being uncomfortable. Understand that. You're going to get extremely uncomfortable with being uncomfortable. You're at one point you're going to feel like you're gambling. At another point you're going to feel like you're losing every fucking thing. And then another point you're going to feel like, how can I be so fucking wrong when all I have to say is it's going up or it's going down, and I'm wrong every fucking time? You're going to feel like that. So I want to tell you this first. I'm not here to sugarcoat shit. I'm here to tell you that this is a 1% industry. 99% of the individuals just don't get educated, and they go for the money versus the education. So that's why I come on here and I stress education is elevation. Because when you get educated, you do educated shit. It's literally just that simple. Uneducated individuals do uneducated shit in the financial markets. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go find some money. Y'all see how that slingshot came down, came on right back up? That little movement right there gave me my little 3%. You understand? Like that little shit right there. People say, man, what is $9.99? Well, I got it in the financial market, on the phone, live streaming and educating. And on top of that, it wasn't even my trade. It was my brother's trade. So it was not even an idea that I even had to project. Someone told me, sell at 37 and then sell another and put another entry at 39. I put an entry at 39, it dropped down to 35, I closed the 37, kept the 39, and then when she dropped to the little 34, it gave me my percentage. At this point, I don't care what it does. I don't care what it does. I'm risk-free, partial-free, 3% up, and now I got market money to play. And now I don't even have to touch the small account until even in the evening to a following trading session. That's what you guys are gonna learn from me. That's exactly what you're gonna learn from me. Let me get everything set up over here. We was in a NAS buy. I closed it early. I closed it early because I feel the rejection is happening. So let's go learn something. Let's go learn something right now. Let's go learn something. First of all, let's go mark up gold. Let's delete it all. Let's go to the week. As I always show you guys, to do a proper top-down analysis, you want to just start at the week, get your weekly highs, which are very, very common. I think it's 34.91 on TV. It's 34.99. I don't know how yesterday it was 34.91. They was tripping. TV was a little off yesterday. Yo, put some 8s in the chat if y'all feeling this little jazz music I got going on, and y'all want something a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? Frequency-wise, let me know. Devontae, I made my 8 hours pay in yesterday's NAS trade. It's so true. Amen. Some people work, hours to make that yeah, bro. I swear for God, Brody. Thank you for putting that in the chat. And that's why I like to tell people, I'm like, listen, don't underestimate the $10, the $20, the $15, because I just showed you how you can make $5, $10, $20, $30, $80, and less just being in my class. And imagine most people are clocking in and they're getting that an hour. Man, bullshit. As that little kid say on social media, bullshit. So let me give you guys an understanding about the market. I personally, you see this right here? People say, well, why did you close your entries? Why did you take the money? Let me tell you why I took the money. As I start understanding that I only trade 3 ways. Let me turn the camera around TikTok and look YouTube in their face. YouTube, the market moves 3 ways. I only trade 2 ways. I trade up, I trade down. On YouTube and the people that are in my TikTok, what is the other way we don't trade? Type it in the comments so people can understand. The market moves up, we trade up. The market moves down, we trade down. The market moves sideways, we don't trade sideways. You see that? People know it. People already know it. So when I wake up, it is 4:19. I'm coming from the East Coast, living on the West Coast. I've been on the East Coast for the last 6-7 days of last week. So my body clock is on East Coast time frame. So I've been up since 2:30 because I'm in the gym at 5. We don't trade during consolidation, LJ. What do you think the market is doing right now? Somebody type it in the comments. We don't fiddle in the middle, baby. And that's what she's doing. So to jump into these trades, you guys got to understand that the market is consolidating. And when the market consolidates, that means it moves up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So we're literally just saying the market is gonna come here, and then come right back up. Boom. Because that's what she's doing. So if you're gonna trade doing consolidation, we took the top of the consolidated area and we just traded for 100 pips. We say, yo, 39, she'll come down to 29. It's literally just that simple. She will come to 29, 33.29. She will literally come right up in here. So let me mark her up and let me show you why we say that. Because if I go and get that daily candle, this is a daily chart. She's consolidating for days. This is a daily chart. Gold is consolidating for days. Look. Look at this. If I bring the measure out and go like this and just go sideways, yo, look. That's days of sideways movement. Sheesh. Days of sideways movement. Let's mark her up. Let's mark her up. We got the top of the day sitting at 33.43. We're gonna take, boom, we're gonna take 33.13. I like 33.13. Go double check. I like 33.13. Or, yeah, I like 33.13. We're gonna take it right there. All right, we're gonna make the floor right there. Actually, I don't think we come all the way back down there. I think we come here. 32.98 to 33.01. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. I think we can get I think we're gonna get a 100 pip drop. I think we're gonna get a 100 pip drop. So let's be a little bit more aggressive. Let's bring it here. I like it right there. 33.32, 33.14. Yeah, I can dig that. Let's go check for gaps. So what I just did, beautiful people, I just gave you a support resistance for your daily candle. I just took a daily high, which is my roof, a daily floor, which is my floor. I personally see it coming here, but just for trading purposes only, we're gonna bank that this created 3 white soldier patterns. So that created 3 consecutive higher highs. There's a really big bullish movement here and a really big bullish movement there. So we're banking that gold drops at least 100 pips, like Alex said, from the 39 to the 29. And she's gonna basically keep continually dropping and give us a 33.14 to a 33.18. And we're gonna go see it on the 4-hour how true that is. There's your 28. Here's your 28. There's your 100 pip drop, which you for sure will get there. And then here's your gap. Look at that gap. Look at that gap. Y'all see that gap? Look at the gap right there. Let me put a highlight in the gap so y'all can see it. Y'all know I love trading gaps. I love trading me some gaps. Look at that gap right there. 33.14, 33.17. We're buying right there. We're buying right there. That's a buy zone. Oh, man, I'm feeling this little jazz while y'all playing. While y'all playing with me. While y'all playing with me. Where y'all gonna go get this type of music, this type of vibe, this type of energy, this type of education? At 7:24 in the morning on the East Coast, 4:24 on the West Coast. 5 and 6 in the middle. Come on now. Don't be fiddling in the middle, beautiful people. Don't be fiddling in the middle, baby. Let's go. Buy gold. Y'all got that? Y'all got that? Ew. She can for sure. She can for sure. At the 28, we're gonna give you guys 2 zones. We're gonna go 28-25 for a scalp. 28-25 scalp zone. The reason why I want that is for the simple fact my brother gave a 100 pip zone. He gave a 100 pip drop. So he gave us a 38.39 or 37.39. So therefore he said it's gonna go 100 pips. It's already at 33.33. So therefore we're gonna see the 33.28. We see the 33.28, we're gonna let her drop right here and then slingshot back up for another scalp. For a scalp buy. Right there. I'll make a small little zone for everybody. Ooh. It's right here. It's right there. Bang. Y'all see, man, let me clean my screen. I don't understand how my damn screen gets so damn greasy while live trading. I don't understand. I'm like, how the fuck it get so greasy? I ain't even touching it. It's on the damn handstand. I'm a grease monkey. Y'all tap that screen, TikTok. I'm giving you valuable information right now. Let's go gold. Let's go gold, baby. I'm telling y'all. So I want to see her pull in here and then pull up out of there. There's your movements on gold. If I give you guys, yeah, we're not gonna sell gold. We're gonna just strictly buy from down up in here. I believe gold retraces. I'm seeing a lot of 3 white soldier patterns. I believe she retraces, pulls in here, and then jumps off. You got big gaps over here. You got big gaps right over here. So if I extend, let me see if I can extend it. Yeah, there she goes, right in that gap. You see that? Right in that gap. That's Go-Go Gadget Extendo. That's the extended clip for you YNs. That's the extended clip for the YNs. Y'all tap that screen. Y'all tap that screen. I just hit you with the extended clip, Brody. Now let's go get NASDAQ. Let's go get US 30. I think our sell zone for US 30 is still valid. Yeah. We're still valid on US 30 right now. Let's remove that. Bye, Al. Let's readjust this down here so we'll know exactly where it's at. We'll know exactly where it's at. So that's our new area right there. I believe we can just reset. I'm gonna keep this right here. Yo, somebody type this in the chat right now. 601-581. 681-5. You know what? I'll leave it right there. I'll just delete everything else. Boom. Super simple. Now let's go to the day. We're gonna go straight to the daily. Look at that. No wick. So that means you have to come all the way up here. That means you have to come all the way up here. You see? But I go, no. We're gonna go right up in here. We got a new daily. We got a new daily roof. We got a new daily roof. 44,213. 44,213. So watch this. I'm gonna go right. Bye out. There she goes. That's our daily roof. Our daily floor. Bye out. Right there. Where the gaps at? Where the gaps at? Oh man, we're gonna hit the gap right here. We're gonna hit a gap right here. We're gonna hit a gap right here. 43,871. Watch this. That's your buy area. 43,871. 43,000. Let's go. 43,000. Let's go. 881. 881.5. Buy US 3030. Buy US 3030. Let's get it right there. We can go clean up the parameters. We can go clean up the parameters. 81.5. Yo. How many people don't understand the zones that we're giving? You don't understand the markups. You don't understand like why I'm giving out these numbers. If you don't understand those numbers, then that means you need to plug in more. That's exactly what that means. You need to plug in more. Let's see if she pulls up in here. Because I believe she can fly too. I believe she can fly too. But as Frank Sinatra would say, fly me to the moon, let me play amongst the stars. So this over here, this sale that I left, this is going to be a big sale. That's going to be a big sale zone. We're going to put big sale zone. That's a big sale. That's a sale to hold if it comes all the way up here for us. Let's go scalp sale. Let's go scalp sale. 44,213 to 44,000. Let's go. Let's go 91. 44,191. Yeah. Scalp sale. US 30. What I mean by scalp sale, we're not holding it. You're gonna take your money, fine, get your money, boom. Take partials, move stop loss at break even. That's what that means. That's exactly what that means. There she goes. You bring that here so everybody can see it. Everybody get your screenshots. Get your screenshots so you'll know. How many people made money yesterday off these calls? How many people made money off these calls yesterday? How many people made money off of these call outs yesterday? Let me set these alarms. So what I like to do is find zones and then set the alarms. So I don't have to sit here and watch them all day. I don't have to watch them all day. I'm gonna go right there. Buy out. I'm gonna go there. And then all I gotta do is just hear the bell. Once I hear the bell, ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. That's it. Boom. We're in there like swimwear. Just like that. I'm telling you, man, she having a hard time breaking that 34. She having a hard time breaking that 34 gold is. Let's go look at NASDAQ. Let's go look at NASDAQ. Same thing. Let's go to the day. Real quick. Oh, man, look at that wick on the day. Look at that daily wick. Shoosh. Bye, y'all. Let's go to the 4 hour. So what I've done on NAS, I gave you the daily high where she rejected. 22,895. The daily low, 22,780. Now watch this. We go to that 4 hour. Super simple. We have a doji candle. Look at this. We have a doji candle. Anytime I see a doji, I'm not even interested into this trade. I will give you zones from the gaps, but now she's sitting at a confused area. So therefore, she doesn't know if she wants to go up. She doesn't know if she wants to go down. How you manage that? You have 3 points. Where the market is at, where the market has been, where the market is going. So 9 out of 10, she's already been here. She's sitting right here. She's want to come here, but she's getting rejected right here. So that means she needs to come back down, find more buyers, and go from there. So imagine I'm gonna give you a deeper buy because the market is sitting in the middle of our stochastics. I'm gonna give you a buy that is gonna be in the oversold market, which is gonna be down here, you see? And people say, oh, why you just didn't sell her down there? Because you don't know if it's going down there or going up here. So if you press the sell button right here, and then it decides to pull back up here, you're in a drawdown because you're fiddling in the middle. You're trading sideways. These are 4 hour candles. So you're telling me 4 hours, she dropped, came right back to consolidation, literally in 12 hours. Here's the next 4 hours. So you're talking 15 hours, she's just sitting right here. Come on now. Let her decide what she's gonna do. Let her decide what she's gonna do. Then you make that call. Here we go. So we got deep buys. We got deep buys for the news. 22,780. Super simple. 22,780 to 22,700. Let's do 91.5. We'll do 90.5. Small zones. Small zones. As Dr. Eva would say, simply. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We jumped right on that 190, that 790. 780 to 790. Boom. 0.5. Let's go. Let's go green. Buy out. So we in there. There's your buy. Buy Nas. Nasty Nas. Buy Nasty Nas. Right there. Look at that. So imagine people who just pressed the sell button saying she coming here. Look, they're already in the drawdown for no reason. 22,895. 22,895. 22,895. Let's go 22,885.5. Scalp, sell, Nas. There she goes. Bing, ding, ding. Alarms are set. Oh man, this is brilliant. This is brilliant. I'm telling y'all. I don't think you guys understand the ramification of what you guys are getting right here. I don't think you guys truly understand the ramification of what you're getting right here. Look at gold. Look at gold. I'm telling you, gold should pull right up in here for us. I think news is going to give it to us. News is going to give us that. Today is the 16th. Yeah. We got PPI. We got PPI. And we got red folders in Australia this evening. Oh man, so trading this evening is going to be interesting, y'all. We will be trading live tonight. We will be trading live tonight. I have a podcast tonight. After that, we will be on and popping. We're going to be on and popping, baby. We're going to be on and popping. I'm telling you, she having a hard time breaking that 34. Gold having a hard time breaking that 34, y'all. Let's check on the currency pairs. Let's check on the currency pairs. Oh, we got even. Imagine your currency pairs, your granny pairs, they're even across the board besides the Australian. So you can take the odd JPY and literally start selling her. Watch this. Odd JPY. Boom. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. You can sell odd JPY. If I go to the daily, yeah, there was your sale right there. No brainer. No brainer. So you literally just find pullbacks. You find sell pullbacks. You go to the 4 hour, boom, and you go, yo, she'll at least pull back to a 96.992. She could easily pull back up there. Because that would be your gap right here. She would be hitting that and pulling up. So if I was trading this, I would say, yo, there's a gap right here. I would put a zone right here. And I would say buy right here. Just like that. If I was already looking at that. And that would be a plus. That just happened. That would be a winning trade. That would be a winning trade. So your next sell zone on odd JPY will be right here. That's where it will be. So you want to see on a smaller time frame, a green candle, come up here, and then boom, come on back down. That's exactly what's going to happen. That's exactly what's going to happen. Yeah, that's exactly what's going to happen. She's going to reach our little buy zone, right, like right now on odd JPY. She's going to come like right up in here right now, and then pull back up into here, and you can see the trend line where she did it from. Remember I told you can sell her? If we were already watching her, you could easily take this trend line rejection trade right here. This was a 15-minute candle, so literally 12 minutes ago, we could have took this sale right here on odd JPY. Just being honest with you guys. Just being honest. Just being honest. And because I know odd has the full bit, has the power, I mean JPY has the strength, we know she's gonna go down, you see? And close. That means the JPY has selling pressure. Look, you can see it right here, look at the arrow. It has selling pressure because the second pair, which is JPY, is stronger than the first pair. Somebody said, I am selling, my TP is 33.14. That's what's up, Carlos. You on gold? Good shit. Yes. That's what we have buy entries at, I think. I think we have buy entries there. Yeah, I think we have buy entries there. Yeah, we have a buy entry at 33.14. So you can hold it. Whenever she drops, she's going to drop. That's for sure. We have our scalp buy right here. We'll probably get this doing open bail, 9:30, 6:30 our time. We'll probably get that. And then she's going to go from there. Go pushing. Go pushing. She can't break that 35, I'm telling you. That 34, 35. So she's pushing up to go find more buyers, more sellers. She wants to go find more sellers. She wants to go find way more sellers. Check her out. That little slingshot on the 3 hour, that's where she bounced from. That's where she bouncing from. But let's go back to odd JPY. We will focus on odd JPY. Let's go see. Oh, boom. Let's go down. Here she goes. Get big. Get big. I want to see her pull in here and pull out. Just to show you guys the accuracy of the zones. So when someone says, yo, JPY is selling, how do you get in since she's already dropped? You can wait till she pulls back up and then you sell her down. That's it. You just wait. And if you want to scalp buy her, you have to scalp buy from here because that's the area of rejection where she comes back and she likes to retest the trend. So I want you guys to see it. You have 48 seconds. 48 seconds on a 15-minute candle. I just want you guys to see it. I even go down to a 1 minute so you can really see it. So it can play out. So if you guys don't understand how to take zones, watch her. Look how she already pushed up from that area. She already pushed up from the area. She already pushed up from the area with a 15. Yeah, she already, look at that. She already pushing up. So that means in 20 seconds, she should retest the trend and then you can take her back down and hope she passed through all of this area here and continue to literally keep dropping and chasing zones from zone to zone. She can easily come like this, JPY, all the way down here and literally fetch all of this area here from where she's at right there. So here it is, watch it. Let's get back into it. I want to see a nice little pull up. Give me a nice little pull up on the JPY. Give me a pull up, baby. Oh, where we at? Where we at? What time frame do you look for entries? On the 4 hours. I only trade on the 4 hours. I manage them on smaller time frames just to get the direction of what's going on. And because I'm teaching and educating on a live stream, I have to go down to those small time frames just to show you guys movement, or it's gonna bore you out. Because if I just stick on the 4 hour, the candles are not really gonna move from there. So people are gonna get like bored out and it's not gonna be entertaining. You see? So here's your little pull up. What I tell you, There's that little pull up. I personally feel like the way I project and the way I like tell you guys what the market is going to do before it does it, because I've been doing this for a very long time, I think that in itself is fucking entertaining. Put some fire in the chat if you understand what I just said. The way I just told y'all that this candle right here is gonna push back up here, that shit in itself is miraculous for an educator to get on a live stream and just pure educate you on candlestick and technical analysis and be correct. Sheesh. Sheesh. Look at the pull up, I'm telling you straight up. And she's only pulling up to find more sellers because she didn't have enough selling power to break into this area. Just that simple. Hell yeah, you know it. Hell yeah, Hannah. Hell yeah, Hannah. Amen, Keith. I'm telling you. Amen. Amen. Look at that. Look at that. She's only pulling up to find more sellers. That's it. So when you start seeing green candles, that does not mean the market is reversing. All it means is it does not have enough sellers to go to the desired price where buyers are going to come back in. Somebody please type that in the chat. Because you see a green candle in the downtrend, that does not mean reversal. What it means, the market is seeking more sellers at a higher price to get to the buyers at a lower price. Yes, 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 I teach. I've been teaching since COVID, 5 years, educating. Loving, hugging, healing, teaching, and preaching on people. Yes, for 5 years straight, trading for over 10 years now. We got some made money while at the zoo. Let's go, Tiffany. Y'all hear what she said? Look at that TikTok. Look at that TikTok. Go back to the live channel. Look at what you said. I made money while I was at the zoo. Come on now. Hell, I even got a comment. Let's go, Tiff. Let's go, Tiff. Don't go see those Planet of the Apes over there and they start talking to you. Today is a beautiful day. You gonna get over there, the motherfuckers gonna come alive. They be like, psst, psst. You gonna go to that gorilla section, the monkeys are gonna be over there. Yo, Tiff, yo, sis, yo, let us out. The motherfucker gonna be over there. Psst, psst. I know you got some weed, Tiffany. Look at the push. I told y'all. Look at the push. I want you guys to see this push and then watch how sellers come in right here. Watch what I tell you. Watch what I fucking tell you. Watch what I tell you. Watch how they come in. Watch how they come in. Right here. Right here. Boom. They're gonna come in right in this area, right here. Watch what I tell you. Watch what I tell you. There's your push. Here's your push. Here's your trend line rejection. Here's your trend line rejection. And this is how you know. Our sell zone is here. So imagine the market can come all the way over here. But before she does that, she needs to break a trend. And how do you know she's gonna break that trend? You're gonna start seeing rejection right up in here. And you got 9 minutes and 52 seconds for that to happen. We got 10 minutes left in class. I want you guys to screenshot this because we probably won't be able to see it before class is over with. But I want you guys to screenshot that so you guys can understand what a trend line rejection is. Here it comes. I'm telling you straight, here it comes. Here it comes, I'm dead ass. Sellers are gonna start coming in and they're gonna start saying, hey, we need price to come back down here. We need price to come back down here. Why? Because the JPY pair is stronger. So you have to believe in that and have the patience to see it through. Literally just that simple. Literally just that simple. Rasta money. Rastafari. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yes, yes, yes. It also depends on what time I get done with the podcast. It all depends on what time I get done with that podcast. So if the podcast takes a little bit longer than normal, then it'll be just a little later. But either way it goes, we're for sure trading tonight. That's for sure. Look at the push. I want to see this area right here. I want to see her complete that area. I don't think she gets there. I personally don't think she's getting there. I believe rejection, like I said, rejection comes here. I'm just going to bring this down. I'm just going to bring this down right here. This is where rejection comes from, right there. This area right here. Anybody got any questions for your boy? Let me turn the camera around. Anybody got any questions for your boy before we get up out of here? I'm finna get ready to go to the gym. I'm finna go beat the temple up. Man, I swear my shit be so greasy. 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 That rejection is nasty. I'm telling y'all. This fucking rejection is nasty. That shit is gonna be nasty. It's gonna be nasty, I'm telling you. Look at that. Look at that. Don't tell me I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm telling you. Sellers are sitting right here. Sellers are sitting right here to pull that thing all the way back down here to the oversold market. I guarantee you. I guarantee you. I can guarantee it. Look at that. Look at that. And here in the next 7 minutes, if this guy closes like down here, and the next candle opens up under this trend, I don't know how else to tell y'all. Do I still like gold? What do you mean, do I still like gold? Gold didn't move that much? Gold back at 39? Of course. Sell gold from 41.43. Yeah, sell it from 41.43. What did I say when I first came on here? Let me put a line right here. I told you gold has to break the 33.34. And if she does not break that 33.34, she's going to go back up, find more buyers. Look. TikTok. 33.34. Look at that wick rejection. Jeez. Jeez. Bam, 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 bam. Hold off on that 43.40. Hold off on that 43.40. Let's see what she does. Because you got news coming up, so let's see what she does. You got news coming up. Let's see what she does. She done went and found buyers from the 33.34, and she already up 60 pips. 50 pips. She's up 50, 60 pips. Bing, 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 bing. Let's go check NAS out before we go. NAS should easily hit our sell zone, our scalp sell zone. That's your closest pair right now. NAS and US 30. NAS and US 30 are very, very close. So we can see this NAS and US 30 at the same time. So what I would suggest, if you have a small account, take micro mini lot sizes on both of them, because they're both going to move identically. If they're both come up here, they're both going to drop at the same time. So don't be afraid. Are you day trading? I'm more of a swing trader, educator of day trading, position trading, swing trading, scalp trading. I like to move with the market. I like to show me what the market is doing. I like to see where it's at, see where it's going, position myself see where it's at, see where it's been, and position myself where it's going, like that. But when you're live trading, sometimes you just see where it's at, and you say, oh man, I like trend line rejections. Oh man, there's a break close retest right here. Oh shit, there's a W right here. You see, that's the last leg of a W. Boom. So you take those entries. If you understand market structure, you understand market patterns, double bottoms. That's like a tweezer bottom right here. You see? Bing, bing, boom. Now she coming here. We want to see that. We want to see her come from a 44,213, 41,191 down to a 44,101 and then bounce back up through it. You see? To our bigger zone up here. That's what I want to see on US 30. That's what I want to see. So I love you guys, man. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. Let me see if JPY. Let's see if the strength has changed. Let's see if the currency strength has changed. See if I grabbed one more bar. I grabbed another bar. It was 2 and now it's 3. So that means the buying pressure is coming in on an odd JPY to find more sellers. Check her out. She's right in that little area. She's right in that little area. You got to love that shit. You got to love that shit. Very common area where she likes to drop from. Very common area that she's been dropping from previously. Look, bank, 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 which created this. So we can get that same little action right here. We can get that same little action. So I love you guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day, beautiful people. Be on live, like I said, be around, be looking for me to go live stream tonight. I would say probably, cause we have to, I'll let you guys know. I'll make a post about it. I'll make a post about it and I'll share it on my story. I'll let everybody know, that's for sure. All right? So y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. Deuces, beautiful people. What time frame you mark IJPY? 4 hours. I marked it on the 4 hours. On the 4 hours. Right here. You can look at the 30. She's like right in that little area right there. Nice little rejection area. Nice little, she just went down here, came right back into the consolidated area. You see? She came right back. So you're literally just taking a sale at the top of consolidation because you know that the JPY is the strongest pair and you have a solid downtrend. You see? So you're literally just saying, I'm going to follow the downtrend right there. That's what you're following. She did like this, drop. She did like this, she's gonna drop. And it just takes time for it to happen. It literally just takes time for it to happen. And you're gonna see it right here, it's happening now, to be honest. It's happening right now. It's happening right now. She's like pulling back up out of there. I'm telling you, like this every time. There she goes. So it doesn't matter if you taking it, holding it, and allowing her to play herself out because we know sellers are in power. Buyers are just pushing up to find more sellers in this decision area right here, you see? That's a heavy decision area. That's it. That's it. Nothing to think about, nothing to question. You just take it, watch it, have your risk management. I'll put my stop loss like over on the other side. Like I would personally have a stop loss right here. Boom. That would be my stop loss, to be honest. People say, why there? Because if it comes up here, it's gonna break this structure right here to give you a better view. If she blasts past this, that means she broke into this structure, so she's gonna continue going up to our bigger sell zone that we had up here. Remember, actually right here. You see that? Just to let y'all know. I don't believe she gets past here. You have 6 seconds. You have 6 seconds. Watch it. New 15-minute candle. She opened up right here. Let's go to your 30. Look at where they open. Look at where they open. Right on the other side. So this could be a fake out. So you don't want to, that's why I say it could be an easily fake out. So this is why you don't want to be tripping. It's like, oh shit, she's on the other side. You watch her, because you know JPY got all of the strength. You know JPY got all of the strength. Let's go. I love y'all. I gotta go. I'm gonna head to the gym. I love you guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. Deuces, beautiful people. Can I get advice? Of course you can get some advice. Let me turn the camera around real quick. Ask. There she goes. There's the drop. There's the drop. There's it. Where she blows. Told y'all, beware of the fake outs. Beware of the fake outs. Look at there. Look at there. Of course I'm live. Why are you hating? Look at that drop, y'all. I told y'all she was gonna drop. I told y'all. Look at that. Look at there. Boom. Come on now. Stop playing. Stop playing. By the way, I took it. I took this sale right here. Just to let y'all know, just to show you. Look. I took the sale right there. We took it. You know what I'm saying? Just to show you. Just to show you. Not even to just make any money. Just to show you that the market is always going to do what structurally it's supposed to do. All you have to do is understand the structure, position yourself, press the button. That's it. Press the button and manage it. That's it. I love y'all. We 1 minute past time. We 1 minute past time. Y'all having the rest of your day to make the rest of your day the best of your day. TikTok, YouTube. I appreciate you guys showing up. I appreciate you guys showing up.